In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the text font style of captions on your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now as you can see here, this video, I have this as the font style and this is the default font style. If you want to change this, first go ahead and make sure that you have added the captions or subtitles by tapping or clicking on this CC option. From here, you can now go ahead and click on settings and then choose subtitles. From here, go ahead and click on options, and this will give you a variety of settings that you can apply. For our case, we want to change the font style and therefore choose this option called font family. Currently, you can see it is set to proportional sans serif. So I'd like to change this to a different font style. To do this, go ahead and choose any of these font styles and you'll see the changes here. So if I choose this, you can see how it appears. If I choose this, you can see how it appears. So choose any that you wish or any that you feel is okay for you. And once you have chosen, for instance, you can say you want this and it will be done. If you want this, then it should be so. And that is it. Now, if I play, you can see the new font style has been applied. So that's how you can change font style on YouTube videos that you watch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.